Worried about roughing it outdoors while camping? Read this advice. Camping is a great way to spend time alone or with a large group. Being in nature can be a very soothing and relaxing experience, and camping can offer that. If you are looking for tips on how to make your next trip a relaxing one, this video can help. Although it is not an essential part of your backcountry camping gear, a machete is something that you may consider packing depending on where you are going. It is a very versatile tool in the wilderness. You can cut a trail, hack bamboo and vines for shelter, cut coconuts for water, chop firewood, and even use it as protection against wild animals. Plan accordingly when it comes to food. It is a hassle to make room in your car for all the food you need. However, proper nourishment is crucial when you are in the woods. Bringing enough food means that you will save money and keep everyone in your family in a good mood. Bring your cell phone with you when you go camping. Even if you are serious about roughing it, cell phones are still very useful in emergencies and should not be left at home. A cell phone is no longer a hobby, and when you go camping it can help you reach police and emergency personnel. Bring it. Your camp should always be set up before the sun sets. If you're driving an RV, find a safe parking spot. If you are camping in a tent, look for a dry and flat area of ground. If you don't do this, you could find yourself in a precarious and unsafe area after dark. This will save you from feeling stressed and frustrated, as you can see exactly what you're doing. You can make camping a fun and relaxing way to spend some time out in nature and enjoy all that it has to offer. Use the helpful tips shared in this video and you will have the time of your life next time you go on a camping adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.